This is the final roar of an icon. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Tecnica, a masterful blend of track-bred performance and road-going luxury. Today, we dive deep into every inch of this V10 beast and why it may just be the perfect send-off for the legendary Huracan. Exterior design, let's start with what you see first, the design. The Huracán Tecnica is sharper, more aerodynamic, and undeniably Lamborghini. Redesigned front bumper with integrated Y-shaped DRL's carbon fiber elements throughout the body, fixed rear wing for added downforce, lightweight 20-inch diamond-cut wheels with Bridgestone Potenza Sport tires. It's 6.1 centimeter longer than the Huracan Evo, giving it a more aggressive, planted stance and better airflow dynamics. Engine and performance. Beneath the transparent rear engine cover lives a legend: Lamborghini's final naturally aspirated V10. The heart of the Huracán Tecnica is a 5.2-liter masterpiece that roars without the help of turbos or electric motors. Pure, ro, mecánica sol. 640 horsepower at 8,000 RPM, 565 Newton-meters of torque, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds top speed. 202 miles per hour or 325 kilometers per hour, that power goes straight to the rear wheels through a lightning-quick 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Combine that with rear-wheel steering, and what you get is a car that's not just fast, it's agile, precise, and unbelievably responsive. The throttle is razor-sharp, the soundtrack is symphonic, and every gear shift hits like a sledgehammer. This is what driving was meant to feel like. Lamborghini has announced that the Huracan will be discontinued, making way for its successor, the Lamborghini Temerario. Set to debut in 2025, the Temerario also features advanced aerodynamics, a redesigned chassis for improved handling, and a state-of-the-art interior equipped with Lamborghini's latest infotainment and driver assistance technologies. Driving experience and handling from the moment you grip the wheel, the Huracán Tecnica transforms from a showpiece into a weapon. This car is engineered to connect you to the road or the racetrack like nothing else. At the core is Lamborghini's recalibrated LDVI system. That's the Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata. It's the brain controlling torque vectoring, traction, and chassis balance in real time. 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Lightning-fast shifts with instant response, 3 dynamic drive modes. Strata. Comfortable and controlled for street cruising sport. More tail-happy with loosened traction control. Corsa. Track-focused, sharpest response. Max aero, and thanks to rear-wheel steering, the Tecnica can pivot through tight corners like a much smaller car. At high speeds, it's rock solid, planted, and confident. Braking, monstrous. Standard carbon ceramic brakes give you fade-free, stopping power lap after lap. You can brake later, dive harder, and trust the car will stick. It's addictive, it's technical, and it's the most engaging Huracan I've ever driven. Interior and tech. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that's all about performance, but without sacrificing luxury. New digital dashboard with improved graphics, Alcantara and carbon fiber trim, optional sport seats, and harnesses center touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, enhanced HMI with real-time telemetry. For track data, it's stripped just enough to feel raw, yet refined enough to daily, if you're bold enough. Customization and options. The 2025 Huracán Tecnica isn't just about speed and engineering. It's a canvas for your personality. Lamborghini's Ad Personam program opens the door to near-limitless customization. From over 200 exterior paint options to custom interior leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber configurations, every Tecnica can be made truly one-of-one. Want Verde Selvons with forged carbon fiber trim, bronze calipers, and contrast Verde fawn stitching? Lamborghini says, why not? You can even personalize the startup animation, seat embroidery, and choose from an array of unique wheels and brake caliper colors. It's not just a car, it's your vision. In V10 form, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Tecnica is more than just the end of an era. It's a celebration of Lamborghini's V10 legacy. Balanced, beautiful, brutal. This is how you say goodbye to a legend. If this is the last Huracan, Lamborghini sure made it unforgettable. The latest and final model in the Lamborghini Huracan lineup is the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Tecnica. This model represents the culmination of the Huracan series, offering a blend of performance and everyday usability. It features a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine producing 640 horsepower, delivering a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 2.9 seconds and a top speed of around 201 miles per hour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Supercar deep dives. Drop a comment below. Is this the ultimate road-going Huracan? Until next time, drive fast and drive safe. However, Lamborghini has announced that the Huracan will be discontinued, making way for its successor, the Lamborghini Temerario, set to debut in 2025. The Temerario marks a significant shift in Lamborghini's engineering approach, introducing a plug-in hybrid powertrain. It combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with 3 electric motors, delivering a combined output of 907 horsepower. This setup allows the Temerario to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. The Temerario also features advanced aerodynamics, a redesigned chassis for improved handling, and a state-of-the-art interior equipped with Lamborghini's latest infotainment and driver assistance technologies. Its design emphasizes both performance and comfort, aiming to provide an exhilarating driving experience on both road and track.